Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our December curl box. I was kind of having a little bit of a moment because this box feels mighty light, you know? That's very rare that I can do that, but let's just see what's in here because now I'm intrigued. Okay, and when I open up the outer box, this is what's on the inside. I'm okay with going back and forth with the colors, but I really did like that neon yellow color. It was really pretty hot. Okay, so I know why this box was so light now. It's because this is not our monthly box. This one is our KINLO skincare box, and it says melanin is thought to be about an SPF of 13, and that's not going to be enough to protect you from this sun. We partnered with KINLO suncare, designed for the melanin-rich by tennis sensation Naomi Osaka. Repeat after us. I will apply sunscreen every morning and I will reapply at least every 2 hours, as well as after swimming and sweating when I'm in the sun for a prolonged period of time. Okay? That's our mantra, okay? According to this, anyway. But this is a nice, very nice description card, very nice picture of her. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with CurlBox, I will leave the information down below. Like I said, this one is a special box. It was a limited edition box for CurlBox. They do a skincare box maybe once or twice a year. So I'm gathering this was fitting it in before the year was out. Okay, so let's just jump in and see exactly what was here. Okay, so we're just going to start with the first item on the card because I really didn't know where to start, okay? And so, well, this is it. Okay, this is what the card attached to it looks like. And then this is what the product itself looks like. And our description card says this is the limited edition Protection Plus Recovery Duo. This duo includes the perfect pairing for a day in the sun. The lightweight golden rays sunscreen protects your skin from harmful blue light and sun rays. Incorporate the hydrating golden mist into your day as an instant skin refresher and quencher for sun-drenched skin. Okay. This is very interesting. See, whether we really want to admit it or not, people with melanin in their skin, we need some sunscreen. Regardless of what anybody told you, we need some sunscreen. Okay? It says usage tips. Spray to all areas of the skin, safe for use on body and face. Avoid eyes. Gently massage into any affected area. For best results, apply right after sun exposure. Now, this is the hydrating golden mist. Okay, and then it says discontinue if there is irritation, of course. All right, now, the key ingredients in this one is candula oil, hemp seed oil, witch hazel, and aloe vera. Then the Golden Rays sunscreen says apply liberally and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure. Shake well before usage. All right. For melanated skin, tinted for medium dark skin. All right, breathable formula, ideal for active days. All right, and the active ingredient in this one is zinc oxide. This is what the actual product themselves look like. This is the Golden Rays sunscreen. This one is the hydrating golden mist. Okay, so that's the first item slash items. Okay, then the next one says the KINLO Hydrating Eye Cream. And that's this one right here. And it says this formula is perfect for applying after a day of UV exposure to protect against early signs of aging. This is a 0.5 ounce size. This is what the inner packaging looks like. And it says this is a gentle, lightweight moisturizer formulated for the delicate eye area to soothe and rejuvenate under eyes and lids after sun, daily and nightly. Okay. This has a 12-month shelf life. And it says apply a pea-sized amount to both the upper and lower eyelid in the morning and in the evening. Okay, now I think I was getting a message, and now I'm saying message received, because just a couple days ago in my Instagram feed, Walmart came up and they were showcasing her products coming soon. And it began to show some of the items that were there. This is one of the items. So, okay, I heard the message and I didn't purchase it. I'm not sure why I didn't. Yes, I am, but I'm listening to that inner voice, okay? And even though I didn't purchase it, clearly this is something that we needed because I now have it through CurlBox. How about that? All right, so the next item I have is the Sun Spot Brightening Moisturizer, and that's this one right here. And it says this daily lightweight moisturizer is packed with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and squalene, which helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots, dullness, and uneven skin tone. All right, this one is a 1.7 fluid ounce size. Oh, okay. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. And it says the key ingredients are vitamin C, squalene, hyaluronic acid, and safflower seed oil. Okay. Gently massage onto face and neck after cleansing morning or night. Okay. And let's see what kind of expiration date this has. Okay. This one is not giving me an expiration date. I know that there is one. There has to be one. So I'm going to have to check around and see what I can find out. Now, I did go back and check the other products that we had, and the Duo set has a 12-month shelf life. The Sunspot Brightening Moisturizer, this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. So I'm not exactly sure. I don't want to assume. So I will be checking to see what I can indeed find out. Okay? So I'll see what I can do. Okay, so since I did not find a shelf life, I will be going online and I'll check it before I publish this video to see if there is indeed a shelf life listed anywhere. Okay, and the last item in this box is this one. And this is the Cooling Body Gel Moisturizer. And it says this gel moisturizer provides instantly cooling relief after a long day in the sun. Use this all over for a burst of hydration with aloe vera and glycerin, along with extra moisturizing oils designed to nourish melanated skin. Okay, I am here for that. This is what the product itself looks like. This one is a 4-ounce size. Okay, so this one isn't giving me a shelf life either. How about that? So now I understand now what, okay, I do understand why the box was so light now, okay? Because I really was a little concerned as to what was in this box that was this light. But this makes a lot of sense. So, what do you think? Unfortunately, this box is currently sold out on CurlBox's website. So, let me see what I can find out with regards to pricing. And maybe we can, well, as with anything, look, the internet is an amazing tool. You can go in there and find out exactly where these items are being sold. Okay, well, what are you thinking about this? All right, just let me know down below. Give me your feedback. I would love to have it. Now, before I go any further, I do see something else that I missed. And this card says, we created KINLO to protect and celebrate melanin-rich skin. I'm so excited to share it with you. These are 2 of my favorite products. I hope you love them as much as I do. Enjoy the glow this season, okay? And this came from Naomi Osaka, all right? I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened this special edition box. And this was a skincare box featuring KINLO, brought to you by CurlBox. How about that? So these are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price had you purchased it in the store or online. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.